Well, it's Tuesday, and I've been spending a couple hours here and there cleaning up parts and putting things together and getting things ready to put back on the bike. Today, Kevin and I came down here after coffee and got here about 9. It's 10, 11, 15 now. So a couple of hours. Kevin spent the whole time just getting all the dirt and grub and grease and grime out of this back end of this poor bike. I mean, it was really, really, really thick. So did a beautiful job of cleaning that up. And we got the wheel here. I'll take it up and get the new tire put on it. I've been working on bits and pieces. I painted all of these. I rebuilt the front master cylinder, the rear master cylinder, painted them, put them back together. I painted this and put the new decal on it. These are the switch housings. They're all cleaned up and ready to go back together, and the master switch. This is the rear brake switch. It was electrically good, but the connectors were broken, so I soldered wires on them and filled it up with silicone, nice and tight. Kevin did a beautiful job of cleaning up this rear sprocket and speedometer drive. I mean, that looks beautiful. And switch stuff. This switch is actually put together. So this is the rear caliper. The front caliper's over there. I haven't gotten to it yet, so that's my next project, is the front caliper. Not today, because I'm tired. But this is the rear caliper, and I took it all apart, and we'll put it back together. Pucks are good. I mean, they're brand new. And pads. One thing was interesting. Somebody at I guess the last guy, shall we say, snapped off the bleeder valve in here, probably taking it out. I don't think you can snap it off putting it in. Snapped it off taking it out. I used up about 6 small drills trying to drill into that thing, but it's really, really hard metal, and I couldn't make any progress at all to speak. Let's say that I shined up a lot of drill bits trying to get that out, and I just flat couldn't get it. Now, undoubtedly, there's a drill bit that's hard enough, sharp enough, good enough, and I don't have it. So, yay verily, if I had the really, really hard machinist, super duper duper hard drill bit, I may have been able to drill into that bleeder, but I didn't, I couldn't, and I won't. So what I did is I drilled an alternate path here, and it goes right down into the bleeder tube, shall we say. And so I will be bleeding it with this little nut, and that's just the way it is. It'll be perfectly good, work perfectly well, and yeah, it's a shame. Somebody got ham-handed there. So anyway, that's where we are at this point in time. Fred's starting to come along and get the rear tire done and start doing some more cleaning. Take all these apart and clean them, and clean all this and put it back together. And then we'll start on the front end. Okay, things are looking up.